Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to use any of the CC4 Morph in iClone 8. Now you can see my iClone 8. Now I can use any of the CC4 Morph in iClone 8. And originally all of these morph are from the CC4. Now I can use it in iClone 8 and set it anytime. This is really the biggest degree of freedoms by using the CC4 morph. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to make this. Right, now everything start from beginning. I'm going to start from the character creator for the CC4. Once you already finish design a 3D avatar, then you can just export it as iAvatar. Let's say this is your default avatar. So click File, Export, iAvatar, export it, and as demo, I will export it on my desktop. I will name this avatar as Camilla Default. Right, I click Save. This is your default body shape, default morph, the base morph. Alright, next, you can just add another versions with morph. For example, I go to the full body, then I scroll down, I see this body fat B. Right. So if I want this morph to be added into the iClone, I just click File, Export, iAvatar as another version. I click Export. Here I'm going to name this as fat. Alright, then I click Save. It is going to export another version of the iAvatar. Then to apply the morph in iClone 8, now I'm going to the iClone 8. First, just load your default avatar. Then, next, just click here, click the Morph Creator. It is going to load the Morph Creator after a few seconds at here. Then, next you can see here we already have so many morph. All of this we don't need it. So I can click one of it and press Ctrl A to select all, and then I click delete. To delete all of this, then I click plus. Alright, this is the default versions, the default body morph. You can just click plus to add another version, that is the fat versions. So I click and open. This is the iAvatar that you saved just now, the fat versions of Camilla. Now you can see it already loaded into your iClone 8 Morph Creator. Next, click Update Morph to iClone, then close. This one don't need to save. Now you're already in iClone. This iAvatar, once you already select it, go to the Morph Creator. You should be able to see your fat morph at here. So we are going to try. First, just drag all of this all together. Alright, now you can see it already changed the body shape. It is really easy. All of the morph will be here. So if you click default key, it is going to reset it. Alright, the first one is the body. Next, just drag one by one all of this, included the shirt, the shoes, the t-shirt, all will come together to apply the morph. Then originally all of these morph are from the CC4. Now I can use it in iClone 8. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to use the CC4 morph in iClone 8. If you love my videos tutorial, you can just go to the bottom, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the mini bell to receive all of the notification for when next time I publish a new videos tutorials. You can get any of the iClone, CC4 and plugins any of the related tutorials and contents from my website freedom3d.net. You can get any free 3D models and 3D scans from another website, freedom3d.org. These two are my website. And the third website, if you love to learn more about the Blender and Unreal engines, you can just visit freedom3d.art. Then I already categorize all of the tutorials and content systematically in 3 of my websites. And having fun with it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.